In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner trying to manage your inventory or an accountant keeping track of your clients' spending, knowing how to access this information is crucial. So let's dive right in and make this simple process even easier for you. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks Online website. If you already have this bookmarked, that's even better, as it will save you some time. Once there, you'll see the sign in button prominently displayed on the page. Go ahead and click it. The next step is to choose QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This is a crucial step because QuickBooks offers various products and you want to ensure you're accessing the right one for your needs. Selecting QuickBooks Online will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. A tip here, make sure you have your login details handy to avoid unnecessary delays. Type in your email and password, then hit continue. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, we need to go to the report section. This is where all of QuickBooks' powerful data displays come into play. Look for the reports menu, which is usually on the left sidebar of your screen. Clicking on it will take you to a new page with a search bar at the top. In this search bar, you'll want to type in Open Purchase Order List. QuickBooks will helpfully start suggesting options as you type, so you may see it pop up before you're even done. Once you've typed in Open Purchase Order List, click on the suggestion to proceed. This action will lead you to the list where all your purchase orders are displayed. Here you can view all your active purchase orders in one place, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. The layout is very user-friendly, and you can sort or filter the data to better suit your needs. And there you have it. You now know how to view all purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. This method should help you effectively manage and review your purchase orders, helping you maintain a clear and organized record of all transactions. Remember, staying on top of your purchase orders helps in efficient financial management and organizational transparency. Keep practicing, and soon this will become a routine part of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful QuickBooks tips. Happy bookkeeping,